Displacement time graphs. Objective: to understand one-dimensional motion of an object graphically. Let's understand basic elements of the displacement versus time graph. The displacement of an object is taken on the y-axis, while the corresponding time is taken on x-axis. Any point on the graph represents the displacement of the object at a certain time. When an object moves with a constant velocity, it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. The resulting displacement versus time graph, in this case, is a straight line. Consider 2 points T1, S1 and T2, S2 on the line. The slope of the line is S2 minus S1 divided by T2 minus T1, which, in other words, is the displacement of the object per unit time. So, the slope of a straight line gives the velocity of the object. Positive slope indicates that the object is moving in a positive direction. And if the slope is negative, it indicates that the object is moving in a negative direction. And zero slope indicates that the object is at rest. Let us look at the displacement time graph for accelerated motion. If the object is moving with an increasing velocity, the distance it covers in successive equal intervals of time increases constantly. As a result, the displacement versus time graph is not a straight line. It is a non-linear variation of distance traveled by the object with time. Consider 2 points, A, T1, S1 and B, T2, S2 on the graph. The slope of the line joining these 2 points is S2 minus S1 divided by T2 minus T1, which gives the average displacement of the object covered in unit time. Hence, the slope of a secant line joining the 2 points gives the average velocity for the time interval T1 to T2.